Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection. And today, I'm playing with another two classic Matchbox cars, or should I say trucks. The first one is this tipper, and I already got another two, and I want this one to be the third one on my display shelf. So, on this one, I'm gonna change the color scheme, and as you can see, I need to build a new tailgate. And there's also one set of wheels missing. And by the way, this is a gift from my friend Tony Hughes, so thanks a lot, Tony. As for the second one, is the Matchbox compressor truck, and definitely seen better days. It needs new wheels and new paint job as well. All this is part of the first invitational build-off from Debbie Fitters, which I'm part of. And these are the names of the other builders. Don't forget to watch them videos too. It's all good fun. The chassis is got a tab, apart from the river, and it's also got the suspension. The wheels, or the axles actually, were a bit rusty, and they've put up a fight. See, no problem at all. So this is the suspension, and it's just a bit of plastic that I'm gonna remove and I'm gonna keep it because it's part of the original. And even that I've been knackered, still a clever design. I won't be painting this part, so I'm gonna give you a good clean. The back of the tipper is a bit bent, so I need to put it straight first before building the tailgate. For the tailgate, I'm just gonna use a bit of styrene. I'm using some metal tubing and sewing pins to create the hinge. I'm gonna let it dry and then I will be painting it silver. Let's have a look at the other one. That's bent and it needs another set of wheels. I know you can see this one, but this is another story. I'm just gonna use some pliers and try to fix that. I'm painting this one yellow because the other two that I have, one of them is red and the other one is orange. Let me tell you something, none of these two cars are easy to paint without many sides and detail on the carriage, so I have to do them a couple of times because they looked a bit patchy. Now I'm just gonna paint the tailgate and it's ready to be attached. To attach the sewing pins, I'm gonna bend the end and that will create some friction inside the tube and it'll be like a really tight fit. And it's time now to address the axles and the wheels. I'm just gonna add some detail before putting everything back on together. I'm gonna crimp the axles on the compressor like the original. While this one is drying, I'm gonna put the chassis that goes on the bottom of the cab. And while this one is drying, I'm gonna finish the other one. As for the other one, I've decided to do the same and crimp the axles, because with so many wheels, there's a high risk that I actually hit it with a hammer. And I'm also doing the same here. Everything works properly, so it's time to put some decals. I've gone for this design because it's the one missing in my collection. As you can see, I've got these two originals. That's why I decided to go for something like in between both, with different paint and different decals, and I think they look awesome together. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the other videos because I'm sure they're gonna be awesome jobs. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with something else. Have a good day.